Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Sivan's Tech guys. I hope you all are doing well practice in your AutoCAD learning sessions. And guys, today we are going to understand the join command. Join command, we can activate the join command by using short key J. So join command basically used to join any two lines or arcs. So let's understand how it used. Basically it's just opposite to the explode command. These are the some objects that we have exploded in our previous tutorial, and this has been breaked in different pieces. So we are gonna join all the objects in today's tutorial. Let's understand. If we wanna join these two lines, then I'll click on the one, and if you wanna select the whole object and you don't want to select one by one, so you can use join command. For this, activating a join command, you can go here on the modify command bar and you can select join command from here. I just click on join command. Now this is saying select source of object or multiple object. I have selected this one, this one, this one and this one. I have selected all the four objects and then I press enter. Now all the four objects has been joined together and is converted into one polyline. As we can see, we will select only one and all the four objects has been selected. I hope you understand guys. Let's understand once more. This is also the same scenario. This has been breaked into different pieces and we wanna join all the pieces into together. So we can enter J for activating a join command. Select the object. I'm gonna select the complete object like this, then press enter. Now this object has been joined. We will select any one object and the whole object has been selected. So I hope you understand. Let's understand once more. Alright guys, we can join this. Let's take a arc here, select the starting point with the center point, and we can give any arc here like this. We have draw one arc here, and if we wanna join these items, these line and arc, so we can J by activating the select this one, this one, this one, and if you want to select the whole object, you can select, then press enter. The object has been selected like this for this, and select the object and convert it J. So we will see this line or this arc has been selected and these two lines have been selected into one polyline. So alright guys, I hope you understand the join command, and if you like the video, please give me the thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting the notifications of new upcoming video. Thanks for clicking.